Go up there and open the door.
Yeah.
We're at Gobblers Knob in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. This is where Phil comes out. You guys dare me to open the door? What if he's in there? Oh, wow. That's where they put him. He was wrapped in that towel. Good old Punxsutawney Phil. Likes to give us longer winters every year. Thanks, bud. Look, this is where they put him. Where he predicts the weather every year. They pull Phil out and they put him on top of this stump. And he tells us if it's going to be a longer winter. What's up, Phil? That's it. That's Gobbler's Knob right there. This is how we figure out if it's going to be winter or spring. It's crazy.